29 forecast.
The next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center, you know what it is. It's a cold rain, sleet, and some snow, right? Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. By tomorrow morning, a cold rain, sleet, and snow will overspread the area from southwest to the northeast. And for that reason, the National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory for the Blue Ridge Mountains, especially for elevations greater than 2,000 feet. So that does include the Wintergreen Resort area. They'll pick up 2 to 5 inches of snowfall. Now, it's mainly going to be on the grassy areas, elevated surfaces. I-64 at Afton will be wet, and also Route 33 over the mountain into Greene and Rockingham County is going to be wet as well. But definitely talking about some wintry weather 2 weeks before May. Now, we're also dealing with areas of frost overnight, especially over the Shenandoah Valley and over our northern counties. So you still have time to protect those cinder plants and those blooms, because we're going to be dealing with overnight lows as cold as freezing for some of you briefly. And here's that first forecast for Central Virginia. Already by 8 a.m. a cold rain, and the closer you are to the Blue Ridge, you may have some sleet and snow mix in there, but temperatures above freezing in the low 40s all day long. Areas of hilltop fog with that light northeast breeze. Now, specifically for the Shenandoah Valley, here's your forecast for you folks into Stanton, Harrisonburg, and Waynesboro. It's always a bit of a different weather world in this type of weather pattern over the mountain in the Blue Ridge and into the valley. So tomorrow, more of a wintry mix of snow, sleet, and some cold rain, changing to all rain later in the afternoon. Now, if the snow and sleet is able to pepper down hard enough, you may get a brief grassy coat, but it's mainly on the higher elevations. Temperatures at 10 o'clock are in the 40s and low 50s, but we're going to fall through the 30s and 40s overnight and stay there all day long tomorrow. NBC 29's live Doppler radar is on the dry side, but watching a growing area of rain to the southwest. It's a large-scale storm system, so already by dawn, here 6, 7, 8 a.m., mainly a cold rain east of the Blue Ridge and the valley. That's a mix of snow and sleet, mostly melting though, except for the higher elevations of the Blue Ridge, greater than 2,000 feet elevation. But 5 p.m., it's rain area wide. The rain will exit tomorrow night, and it will turn cooler and drier on tomorrow night and also again on Wednesday morning. But we're rain-free, snow-free, and ice-free after tomorrow for at least the next week, with a warm-up below average for the next few days and then well above in the 80s by Friday and next weekend. Your Storm Team 29 reports overnight the clouds will thicken, dry for now, lows 30s and 40s, and look at the highs tomorrow. 30s and 40s. A chilly rain east of the Blue Ridge, areas of fog with a wintry mix north and west. 7-day forecast. The rain exits tomorrow night. 30-degree temperatures, some patchy frost possible, upper 50s and breezy on Tuesday. I'm more concerned about frost and a freeze on Wednesday morning, so we'll have to watch those vineyards and orchards as we go into Wednesday afternoon in the 60s, low 70s Thursday, 80 on Friday. Great weather for Earth Day, and Fridays after 5. Next week it looks dry and more like summertime around here, so huge rise in temperature after tomorrow.
It may be April, but it looks like it's time to dig out those jackets again.
Oh yes, and your wet weather gear. Don't wear your best pair of shoes tomorrow.
That's right. Well, thank you so much, Josh. For most Americans,